In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front, forward, lower control arms on this BMW 328i. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the wheel, use a 17mm socket, take the lug bolts out. Once I get to the last one, I'm just going to hold the wheel on, take that off, and pull the wheel off. We're going to use a 15/16 or a 24mm wrench, loosen up this nut. And get this so that it's just barely finger tight. Maybe there's a couple of threads just holding it on up top. I'm going to use an 18mm wrench on the bolt, 18mm socket, loosen up the nut. The nut off, slide the bolt out. The bellow boot is in the way a little bit. Slide that past. That will slip down. Now I'm going to use a pickle fork. Just get in between here. There's other front end tools you can use. And just separate the lower ball joint from the knuckle. That separated it. And you can take the nut off and slide the arm right out. Take the arm, slide the ball joint in place, get the nut started. I can line this up. Put the bolt through. The nut on. I'm using a pull jack underneath the ball joint. You can raise it up. You can tighten the nut. Now it's hard to get a torque wrench in here. If you can, you want to torque that nut to 129 foot-pounds. Do the best you can. That's good. And now we're going to tighten this bolt up, but before we do that, we want this as close to ride height as possible. So just raise up on the pull jack. Just be careful. It would be ideal if you put the tire on, have this vehicle on the ground, and then tighten this down, but it's not that easy to do that. You should replace this with a new bolt. We're going to tighten this down. We'll torque this to 73 foot-pounds. And then we're going to go an additional 90 degrees. That's good. Now remove the pull jack, lower it down. Put the wheel on. Line it up. Get the studs, lug studs started. Snug those down. Now I'm going to torque the lug bolts to 90 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. Just go around again, double check. After finishing this installation, it's important to have an alignment done on your vehicle.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.